Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to glow up as a guy. Glowing up as a guy involves focusing on self-improvement in various areas of your life, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Firstly, personal grooming, like skincare and hair care. Keep your facial hair groomed or clean shaven depending on your style preferences, and keep yourself clean. 2. Fitness and health. Just exercise and have diet and have enough sleep, about 9 to 7 hours of quality sleep. 3. Style and fashion. Upgrade your wardrobe and clean and maintain your footwear. Also, don't be shy away from experimenting with colors and styles that suit your personality. 4. Mental and emotional growth. You have to be confident. Emotional well-being, like journal or talk to someone you trust to process emotions effectively. Read books, listen to podcasts, or watch educational content to stay informed and interested. And that's it, guys. Glowing up is a gradual process. Stick to your routine and track your progress. Stay patient. It's not just about looking good, but feeling great in your skin. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.